Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix restricted account in Instagram. So this is my account and this account is restricted now. I'll show you this. So you can see I have one post, 14 followers and 3 following and 2 highlights. If I go for my another account and go for my that account here, this is my account, and you can see this is restricted profile now, and it doesn't shows followers and following post here. So for this, just again go back my that account, and now I have to do just go for in the three line option, settings and privacy. Now, if your account is private, you need to first public your account. Okay, I have already is in public, and now you have to go for created tools and controls. Now here in this list, go for minimum age, and I have to remove this minimum age from here. So just go for remove it, and again remove this and go for here. Go back again, and if I refresh this and again go for my Instagram account, okay, and I'll show this thing that my account is not now in restricted mode, and you can see it shows me whole things here. So this is how you can fix your restricted account in Instagram. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.